Alright, so we're going to start with creating the reference image that we are going to use for this exercise. So go ahead into your AI, ChatGPT or Gemini, and type, create me a high quality image of an African American woman singing in the park. Or it can be an image of you, or an image you can download on the internet. So Gemini will go ahead and create for us that image. So once Gemini has created for us that image, you go ahead and download it, save it anywhere you want. Then you can ask it to send you lyrics. So this can be anything. For example, I've told it to write me lyrics on verse 1 singing about love and forgiveness. So once you have the lyrics and you have the image, you just go ahead and open Google Flow. You can type it on Google. So once you go there, click the first link that comes. And then when you reach here, you're going to scroll down and then click Create with Google Flow. Or you can also look at that pricing. That is if you don't want the free tier. You can read through what it has and what doesn't have. But for this purpose, we're going to go with the free version. So you click Get Started. So go ahead and click New Project. Once that screen loads, we are going to upload our image here. Go ahead and look for the download image I've just downloaded, which is this. Go ahead and drop it there. Click I agree. And then on the prompt here is where you're going to tell it what you want. So I'm going to keep our lyrics. I'm going to copy our lyrics. Then I'm going to go ahead and copy. Come to Google Flow. Then I'm going to prompt it to So after analysis, Google Flow will ask you, I can make us sing these lyrics for you. Which voice style should you use? So you go ahead and choose the preferred one. So I'm going to prefer soft and high pitch. However, if you want bright, mid, high, go ahead and select that. For this, I'm going to select this. And it goes ahead and asks us if we want to approve. Remember that it tells us that this will cost only 12 credits. However, Google Flow provides around 50 credits per day. So meaning you can create around 3 high quality videos. So go ahead and approve, or you can approve and not ask me again. But for this purpose, I'm going to just click approve. And then Google Flow will go ahead and start generating for us our beautiful video. So after that, Gemini has finished. You can see this is our reference image. And then Google Flow brings for us this image. Let me go ahead and play it, and then we can verify.
I held the heavy weight of every mistake. With open arms, I'm letting the bridge that leads us through it all. I held the heavy weight of every mistake. With open arms, I'm letting the bridge that leads us through it all.
All right, so it is just wonderful. Go ahead and download it.